morning, my beautiful people. Good morning, good morning, good morning. This morning I'm gonna prepare breakfast. I'm gonna cook some dashin and sweet potato, and I'm gonna cook cabbage and salmons. But I'm gonna do it in a Chinese style. All right? I'm gonna do a chopsuey with it. Okay? Stay tuned and watch what's going on, my lovely subscriber and family. Thank you all for watching. Long. Let's get it on. My word. Looking nice. My peeps. Beautiful subscriber and people, look at this. Salmon's Chopsuey breakfast this morning. Wow. Look at the good people. Get down in it, you know. Delicious people, delicious. Salmon Chopsuey.